So we've designed Thrive so that people who want to give their recovery a refresh, a renewal, a jumpstart, to give it a new sense of direction, to focus it because you're at a point where you want to go a little deeper, you want to make some changes, you want to clear out some things that have been bubbling up for you, or you just want to get in touch with your deeper self. You want to take 5 days out of your life and just give yourself a kind of vacation that's spiritually renewing. We have Thrive for that. And there's forgiveness and Thrive. There's room for everything, to work out your anger, to work out the residue of grief, to work out an issue that's come up throughout recovery. Recovery is a long-term deepening friendship with the self. And in that deepening friendship with the self, more layers of the onion will emerge. So Thrive is designed so that you can come and explore another layer of the onion, and so that you can leave renewed and refreshed and be in touch with more parts of yourself and have a stronger sense of taking yourself out whole and integrated, and another step of your recovery with the community that feels safe, with like-minded people, with people who will go deep with you, and with a nature that's surrounding you, so that it's not just the people and the focus on the program, but it's an encounter with the sunlight, with the desert, with the outdoors, so that you can have some peaceful moments just to yourself. Equine is part of it, and you can be in a place that gives you a renewal of your spirit, so that you can thrive.